Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best magnifying lamps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Studio Designs 12308 Magnifying Lamps. An excellent magnifying lamp for collectors and drafters, this magnifying lamp from Studio Designs presents the ultimate enlarging of tiny objects and text. The lamp comes with a 3-diopter glass magnification lens which could easily enlarge and examine your minute work. What is more, the lamp is found to be one of the cheapest and recommended products to try out in the market. Moving on at number 4, we have the Brightech LightView Pro LED Magnifying Glass Lamp. Recognized as an appropriate magnifying glass with bright light output for visually impaired people, you can use this magnifying lamp from Brightech Assist to see even the minute details clearly. You can use the lamp while carrying out crafts or any professional tasks. Also, you can use it if you face issues of aging eyes. At number 3, we have the Brightech LightView Pro Flex Magnifying Lamp. If you are looking for a cheaper version of the Brightech brand, this is the most suitable one for you. The price is as low as $30 while guaranteed one of the best quality. The product rated 5 stars with over 4,000 reviews on Amazon. This table and desk lamp is perfect for sewing, crafting, repairing electronic, or cross-stitch, etc. It comes in compact size and portable, so you can carry it around anywhere. At number 2, we have the Esthology Facial Magnifying Lamp. With versatility in use, the present model of the magnifying lamp from Esthology finds its use in a variety of applications. It could be used as a magnifier only, light only, or also as a lighted magnifier. The lamp is ideal for different applications like medical, cosmetology, dental, skincare, manufacturing of small parts, etc. And finally at number 1, we have the Brightech LightView Pro LED Magnifying Lamp with Full Spectrum Bright Magnifier. Many people look to have an ideal magnifying lamp for their professional work or simply for their hobby tasks. Whatever the requirement is, this magnifying lamp is an ideal solution for getting the bright and magnified output. The sole intention behind its design is to focus close-up or any people facing vision problems like the aging of eyes or macular degeneration. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.